XB1. The Boom Technology team aims to shake up the aviation market. As its name suggests, the first XB1 flight test was held on March 22, with the prototype reaching a speed of around 439 km per hour. This is significant because the XB1 aims to revive supersonic air travel. Its technology will later be used in the production of the Overture airplane, expected to reach speeds of Mach 1.7, equivalent to over 2,000 km per hour. The Overture will accommodate up to 80 passengers and have a range of 7,870 kilometers. Testing for the Overture is slated to commence in 2027, with passenger transportation documents expected by 2029. Toyota Lunar Cruiser. Various lunar transportation concepts have been featured in our videos, some of them beautiful but far from reality. However, Toyota has taken the matter seriously and unveiled their concept developed with the support of the Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency, expected to debut on the moon by 2040. The concept, named the Toyota Lunar Cruiser, is comparable in size to two minibuses. It's designed for two people under normal circumstances and four in emergencies, boasting a range of over 10,000 kilometers. Additionally, the Japanese team has equipped the concept with a robotic arm capable even of sweeping, because it's important to maintain order on the moon. Euler. The End Frontier Euler isn't just a toy gimmick, it's a fully fledged electric car weighing only 70 kilograms. Despite its lightweight, it can travel up to 70 kilometers, reach speeds of up to 25 kilometers per hour, and comfortably seat two people. But here's the interesting part: you can charge the battery by pedaling. Plus, you can ride this marvel of technology without a license and even on bicycle paths. And it's not just about the ride. Euler will also feature multimedia capabilities, adding music to the journey. Additionally, its autonomous parking system will prove highly useful at your destination. The estimated price will be well under $10,000. Whether Euler will become a production vehicle is still uncertain. However, even as a show car, it provides insight into the direction future cars are taking. Firstly, it's clear that environmental consciousness will continue to be a trend. Thus, some parts of the car are made from algae and recycled plastic. Secondly, it's time to leave the internal combustion engine behind. The Euler runs on hydrogen fuel cells, boasting an impressive 540 horsepower. Lastly, the farther the better. The car will have enough fuel for over 800 kilometers. Era Concept. The GAC Era Concept isn't just a concept car, it's a glimpse into the future of automotive design. With environmental consciousness at its core, the Era is made from sustainable materials, including algae and recycled plastics. It's powered by hydrogen fuel cells, delivering an impressive 540 horsepower. And when it comes to range, the Era doesn't disappoint, with enough fuel for over 800 kilometers. But it's not just about power and sustainability. The Era concept also boasts advanced features like autonomous driving and smart navigation systems, making it a true representation of the future of transportation. Callum Sky. Callum Sky epitomizes off-road style. Its creators have merged the comfort of urban crossovers with the ability of buggies to travel cross-country to create an electric car with a range of about 270 kilometers. It might not sound like much, but the battery charges in just 10 minutes. Interestingly, Callum Sky will be available in several versions: cherry, geared towards urban use, and silver orange, designed for off-road adventures. With an acceleration to 100 km per hour in approximately 4 seconds, Callum Sky promises an exhilarating ride. According to reports, the initial batch will be limited to just 50 units. Who's willing to shell out $126,000 for one? Mansory flying hypercar. Though the Mansory team specializes in enhancing luxury cars like the Bugatti Veyron, they believe that regardless of future advancements, there will always be interest in custom tuning. For instance, Mansory recently unveiled this concept. This flying hypercar draws inspiration from iconic vehicles such as the Ferrari F50 and the Pagani Huayra, boasting plenty of carbon fiber and advanced aerodynamic features. While features like autopilot, remote control, and smart navigators are impressive, there's something special about manually controlling such a beauty that technology can't match. SA2. The SA2 project is a project from Hyundai unlike any other. Behind the simple name lies an intriguing flying car already in the prototype stage. This electric vehicle features vertical takeoff and landing, with claims that it's as quiet in flight as a refrigerator. It can swiftly switch between passenger and cargo configurations, accommodating up to 4 passengers and flying approximately 64 kilometers at a cruising speed of 193 kilometers per hour. Hyundai plans to start production of the SA2 in 2028. The Icon Yacht. A ride on the Icon Yacht feels like flying. Passengers glide above the water, enjoying comfort even at speeds of 61 kilometers per hour. Can you imagine a more luxurious way to travel from point A to point B? The creators of the Icon certainly don't think so. Here's something cool: 2-time Oscar winner Hans Zimmer worked on the yacht's sound systems. Plus, the controls are unmatched compared to the competition. The 32-inch touchscreen display alone is impressive, not to mention the voice control feature. Of course, the interior and other features can be customized as needed. And with 2 electric motors of 100 kilowatts each, speed enthusiasts won't be disappointed.